Hey, GWURL. Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula. I am the lover of all things beauty. That is your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And welcome to my SHEIN accessories haul. Your accessories are the exclamation point to any outfit. You could take something so simple as a t-shirt and a pair of blue jeans, and when you accessorize it, you take it from a 0 to 100 real quick. This video is not sponsored. I purchased all of these items with my own money. Now, before we get into the video, if you are watching this video, GWURL, and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Stop right now, click that subscribe button. Don't forget your notification bell because I need you to know whenever I upload a video, and we need the engagement. So please leave a comment, but when you leave a comment, leave a respectful comment. And please share it. Tell a friend to tell a friend, share the video. Let me also let you know before we get into the haul that I have quite a few pieces. So this is a large SHEIN accessory haul. If you are ready to get into it, keep watching. Up first, this is actually not an accessory, so that's why I'm beginning with this. This right here is Charge It to the Game. This is a card game. And when I say card game, I literally mean cards. These are cards. It's actually a drinking game. So you have to do it with a group of people. You know, your people that don't mind taking shots, and be safe with it now. Don't just be negligent and just drink it all up and then drive. Don't do that. But if you are at a party and you have a designated driver, these cards are the perfect game to play. Adults only, 21 and up. So you have cards like this one says, vote. Better era of music, 90s or 2000s. The team with the least votes drink. And if you have a tie, then everyone drinks. I'll tell you one other one. Players who don't have a passport, you take 2 drinks. You have to be safe when you play this game, but this is a drinking card game. Charge it to the game. So I'm going to begin with earrings. I bought a whole lot of earrings, y'all. I love earrings. I love accessories. I love anything fashion. I love it. So these earrings I purchased because I had already purchased a pair. I love them so much. I said, let me just get a backup pair. These are so cute. I love leopard. If you watched my video, my Get to Know Me video, if you haven't watched it, check it out. I wanted to make sure if something happened with those, I have another pair because that's how much I love them. But these earrings are super cute. And then y'all, you know how when you're on SHEIN and you add something to your cart, that screen move up real quick and show you some other things. It did that, and I saw these. They're made similar to those, but they have the little ball here, black and white. I love black and white. It's so classic. It never goes out of style. When I saw these, I knew I could do something. I could do a lot with these. And I'm gonna just let y'all know, I'm not really a small earring girl unless it's my second hole. But in my main hole, I love a big earring. I love something that dangles, a statement earring. I love it. Then I saw these. They were the perfect combination. It's the wood, has a little gold. This gold is more like an antique gold. And then this, I don't know if you can really tell on camera, it's like an olive color. These are perfect for the fall. Well, let me not say that because y'all, I don't do the seasons thing. When I like a color, I don't care what season it is, I'm gonna wear it. I have another black and white pair. These are cute. Wait a minute. Oh, girl. I thought the earrings were broke. Oh, I was about to get upset. But y'all, look at these. Super cute. I love unique pieces, especially when you don't see a whole lot of people wearing them. I love it. So when I saw these, I was like, oh, okay, those are cute. I can do something with them. And they kind of like, almost like a straw material. Feel like leather, but I know it's not leather. But whatever it is, it's cute. They are cute. And all of my earrings are pierced, no clip-ons. Now I am a hoop girl. I love me a pair of hoop earrings. And I love to keep a fresh pair of silver and a fresh pair of gold. If you don't spend a lot of money on them, you already know what's gonna happen. They will turn. Because I know they're going to turn, I like to keep a stock. I saw these. I told y'all I love a big hoop earring. So I saw these and they are perfect. I just love them. And when I saw these, that screen flipped up and I said, oh, they have them in gold. Let me get a gold pair. The exact same style, they're just gold. When I saw the gold, that screen flipped up again and I saw these. These are rings. Let me take them out the pack. So these are rings. Y'all, I used to love to accessorize with rings. I always needed to have a ring on my right hand. And I kind of got away from it, but now, baby, it's coming back. And here are the silver rings. These are the silver ones. Now it is 6 rings in each pack. And what I like about them, since I have on silver, I'm gonna just put this one on. There's one. And you can open them and adjust them as need be. My fingers are so fat. Let me just do this. I'm gonna stack them. And you can even do this. If it don't fit or go all the way down, baby, you could do this. It's your style, it's your thing, however you wanna wear it. But I'm gonna keep these on for the remainder of the video. These are the rings. Y'all, I had them old people hands. Been having it since I was born. But anyway, y'all, I purchased some bangles. I've been wanting some clear bangles. But these bangles right here, tried to put it on. Look. It won't go. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or if, and I bought 2 because I wanted 2. I don't know why I'm like this, but it may be guarded to someone else, but I love it. I just love when my bangles, if I have on chunky ones like this one not super chunky, but it's a little chunky. I want 2. The only way I wear 1 is if I'm going to church. But if I'm going anywhere other than church, I'ma stack them. I want them up my arm. That's just me. That's how I am. I'ma keep them, y'all. I'ma keep them. So that wraps up. Oh, wait, one more. These that I have on, I put them on for the video. Let me just show you. I have these. I love the way they're made. So I decided to go ahead and put them on for the video. And this will wrap up the earrings. So now I'm moving on to handbags. The first bag that I'm gonna start with before I show it to you, I had been wanting a black and white zebra print bag. And I saw this one, I was like, I'm gonna take my chances and I'm gonna purchase this one. So I have already worn her, and if you follow me, you already seen her. Actually, you've seen her a few times, but here she is. Here she is. Y'all, I love this bag. It has like a magnet right here. But this is the inside, and she is very spacious. I absolutely love this bag. I'm gonna show you another one that I've already worn that if you follow me, you saw her. Y'all, look at her. Isn't she lovely? Super cute. Y'all, when I saw this bag, I just was like, you know what? I want her. She's shedding everywhere, but I want her. She is cute. I don't know if you could really see the color really well, but y'all, she is orange mixed in with like black. The bag itself is black. You see the handles are black. She has gold hardware. She came with a strap, and she's spacious on the inside. Super cute. I love it. Anytime I can get a bag that's fashionable and I can put my phone, my keys, my hand sanitizer, the hand sanitizing wipes, and my lippy, she's a keeper. I love it. If you've been following me, then you know my birthday is March 17th. That's St. Patrick's Day. And the color is Kelly Green. I love Kelly Green, y'all. So I wanted me a Kelly Green bag. I looked at several of them, and this one, let me show you. She's cute. Look at her. She is cute. Can you see the way she's made? It's like a drop oval-like shape. Y'all, that's what caught my eye. I love it. I told you I love things that are different. It has the gold hardware. I haven't worn her. She's just out the pack. This is my first time unzipping it. came with a strap. I don't think I'll wear the strap, but I could wear the strap because guess what? I could wear her as a crossbody, depending on where I'm going and depending on how I'm styling her. But yes, cute. Next up, I have been needing a brown bag. I needed this color brown. And y'all, I did wear her. I wore her to church. Look at here. She's just a really simple brown bag. She has one button, one strap, very spacious, roomy. The only thing is you still have to be careful because stuff can fall out. That's the only thing, but this is the bag. And she came with this little bag. So you really could use this bag for your lippy, your keys, your phone, like stuff that's kind of loose and can fall out easily. And you could just put those things in the small bag and just drop the small bag inside of the big bag and you're ready to go. Now y'all, this little bag right here was just so cute. When I saw her, I was like, I want that one, and can't nothing. When I say nothing, I mean nothing fit inside of her besides one of my MAC lipsticks. But look, y'all. She's so cute. She is little. Let me show you how little she is. Y'all see this? Look. I can't even put this bracelet inside of it. That's why I told you only one of my little MAC lipsticks could fit in here. She is definitely just for a photo op because it's nothing else I could do with her. But that's why I grabbed it. That's why I like it. I told you I love the different things. And she came with a little beaded chain. Super cute. So I could actually put her on with a fit, crossbody. I could hold her like this. So now y'all, this next bag, when I got her, I was like, why did I order this bag? It looks so cute. Wait a minute. It looks so cute online. And y'all, I've seen this bag in videos and it may make you be like, oh, that's cute. I want that. But then when you see it, y'all, this gold bag, and she is a bright gold. She's covered in plastic. So in person, she is bright. But I love the shape of her. So I know that's why I wanted it. Now, don't get me wrong. She is cute. I was just like, why? But whatever. So that's it for the handbags. Next up, shoes. I have been wanting a pair of denim chunky heels. I seen them, y'all. They were so cute when I saw them on someone else. So y'all, I don't know why, but I was like, let me see if SHEIN has some chunky heels. So they did, and I bought them. Now, they are cute. Let me just show you a video of how they look on my feet. Y'all, my feet not the cutest, okay? But anyway, look at the heel. This platform is really high. This heel, although it's chunky, it is high. I do know it's easier to walk in a platform, but y'all, these heels are high. But when I put them on, they were cute. And I know with the right outfit, they are going to look good. Now, y'all, these other shoes, this was another item like, Ursula, why? When I looked at them on the website, first let me say this. I got them because a wedge is just easier for me to walk in. And I needed another clear looking shoe. And I love shoes that wrap around my ankle going up my leg. I just love a shoe where I can like tie it up. I just think it's so cute. But y'all, these shoes looked nude on the website. And I don't know if you can tell, but they are rose gold. And that's what turned me off from them. This is how I look on my feet. And they're okay. I'm sure with the right outfit, with however I style them, they will look good. So that's it for the shoes. Now, y'all, I have gotten into tinted sunglasses. I found myself loving those more these days. And the reason I love them is because they really can enhance your look. You can wear them indoors and not look super crazy because people can still see your eyes and you can still see it's just a little tint. These are the first ones. I also love aviator style, but these I thought were super cute. This pair, y'all, I fell in love with. I love the style. Y'all, I love these. I love them. Baby, see what I mean? See what I mean? How they enhance the look? Okay, the next ones. Y'all, I really love these. Baby, they big, but honey, I love them. A little yellow tint. Cute. What you think? Now, y'all, I really like these. They're a tint, but they're a little bit more tinted than the others, but I would still wear them. Y'all, these are cute. I really like these. Out of all of them, these right here, I love them. Super cute. That's it for the tinted sunnies. I have 3 just clear. Now, these first ones, they made just like these, but they're clear. I love them. Do you see a look like I can actually wear this, go somewhere? Sometimes I just want to put on a pair of frames. Cute. Or with my favorite bag. Y'all see? Or put it on with these. Carry this bag with the frames. Y'all see what I'm saying here? Your accessories are the exclamation point. Now, these other 2 frames, y'all, I have been looking for frames for my prescription. Yes, your GWURL need glasses. So I was looking for a pair of stylish frames. So y'all, I thought I wanted my prescription in these. I like them, but I just feel like when I'm not put together and I put these big old frames on my face, I'm just gonna look crazy. And I might not, but that's just the way I feel. And then these do look more like frames for prescription glasses, but honey, I look like the librarian. No, this ain't gonna work. And the frame is so flimsy, I feel like they'll break on me like real quick. So these ain't gonna work. That's it. That will wrap up this large SHEIN accessory haul. Now, remember, your accessories are the exclamation point to your outfit. If you have made it to this portion of the video, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click your notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of this video. What was your favorite? What would you wear? Let me know what you want to see in the next video. Do you want to see another accessory haul? Because y'all, I have a cart right now as I'm making this video, and I could bring you another accessory haul. Now, I'm not leaving links because I don't even know if this stuff is still available. Y'all know on SHEIN stuff sell out real quick. Just check the description box anyway. And as I said in the beginning, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend about my videos, about my channel, so that we can continue to grow. We are at 8,500, and y'all, I have given myself the goal of 15K. So help your girl reach 15K. I will catch each one of you in the next video. Same place, same channel.